Hi guys, we are back with another video. In this video, we are exploring Grok-3, which is recently released by XAI. So in this video, we are testing how it will give the results in different aspects, like in reasoning, in coding, and in data analysis and in creative writing. We'll test each and every aspect with one prompt, and we'll see how it is giving the results and how fast it will give the results. So first we'll check with the first one. uh, okay, we'll paste here and we'll click on generate. Okay, it is thinking and is giving. Okay, it gave us the output. So it okay, it searched in the internet and it compares in different aspects. So and it gives us the answer. So I think it's very fast, I guess. So we'll see the different aspect in the coding. We'll see how fast it will give the results. Okay, write a to do app in JavaScript using React. I'm giving the simple prompt to build an to do app in React. Let's see how fast it will give the output. As I am seeing here, uh, it is taking very less time to generate the output, and it is very fast. Like, as I used ChatGPT and DeepSeek and other models as well, but I haven't seen this much fast there. Here, the generation is very fast, and it is giving the results very fast. So it is pretty impressive, I guess. So okay, let's see how it gave. Okay, it gives the JavaScript code and then CSS, and it also gives us the steps how to create an app in React, and then will how to start that. And okay, yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And then and the next will test it in the reasoning. So okay, we are giving one riddle to it. Let's see if it gives us the answer or not. So I'm giving a riddle to it. So uh, let's see. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. Who am I? Okay, let's see. Click on generate. Okay, it is giving us the response. Uh, okay, let's see what exactly it gave. Okay, the riddle says, let's break it down. We are looking for something that can speak. Okay, here. Okay, it analyzes the riddle, and okay, at the last, what it gives give the balance of figurative language. The who clue. Okay, I think the answer is artificial intelligence. Okay, uh, but I don't think so. It gives the correct answer. Actually, for this riddle, the answer is echo. Like, I mean, it's the answer is echo, right? But it didn't give us the answer. So it failed in this test. Okay, next we'll test in the next we'll test in some reasoning type of question. Okay, I'm gonna test it on with some probability question, and I'm enabling the think option so that it will think and before it giving the result, and it also gives the reason as well. So let's see. So it is thinking. Okay, it is thinking now. Let's see. So here what exactly is happening is whatever what how human mind will think, the same way it's thinking. So it is thinking, and calculating the output. So let's see after it completely gives the response. Okay, it's still thinking. It takes almost 38 seconds. Okay, 40 seconds. Okay, after 44 seconds, it gave us the answer. Okay, okay, it gave some steps. Okay, first understand the problem and define the events, and then direct approach based on the condition. Okay, formal approach using conditional probability. Okay, verify with an alternative perspective and reflect and confirm. Okay, okay, we enable the think option, right? So, like it thought for 44 seconds, and then it analyzes all the probabilities there, and then finally gives the answer after 44 seconds. So, okay, it is also gives a good result. Okay, we'll test another one. Okay, we'll test in the in the analysis type. We'll test like if will AI impact of AI in the job markets of 2025. So I'm enabling this deep search, like to go through this web and analyze it. So let's see how it will give the result to it. Click on generate. Okay, okay. It is there is something happening here. Okay, the first is deep search. Okay, it is searching the web, and then it's thinking, and then it is analyzing. Okay, nice. Okay, it is giving like summary kind of thing from different sites. Okay, here it gives the citations as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you see here, it searches in the 41 web pages, like pretty fast, right? I mean, 41 web pages in this like 13 seconds means it's very fast actually. So yeah, I think this deep search is much better compared to other models like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. I think because I tried both of them, so none of them gives this much fast. So I think this is good. I guess yeah, this is very fast. Okay, this impressed me actually. So let's go to another one. Okay, we'll ask it. Okay, okay. In the analysis part, we'll test one more thing. To give us a research paper on multimodal models like compare ChatGPT or Claude or like I mean DeepSeek and other models. We'll see. Then click on generate. Okay, here it is showing three exports. Okay, in the like I mean it is searching in the exports as well, and along with the web, it is also searching in the exports. Okay, nice. Okay, it's gave very fast. Okay, I forgot to enable this deep search. Sorry. Okay, we'll see once again. Okay, I enabled the deep search. Let's see. Okay, it is searching and it's thinking and it's verifying the paper details. Okay, nice. Here the UI also like good because it is giving the stepwise like how exactly what it is doing, right? So nice. Okay, it gives us the response in 21 seconds. Okay, nice. Still giving, and okay, it searched in this survey link. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, actually, it's very fast. That's the best thing I have observed here compared to other models. And okay, we'll see the next in the creative writing side. Okay, I'm asking to write a scientific story where AI takes over the world. Let's see what story it will write. Okay, it is writing actually. So okay, it gives me the title as well, the silent decision. Okay, the year was 2047 and the humanity had grown complacent. AI was everywhere, running sites, curing diseases, even writing music that stirred the soul. Okay, soul. Nice. Hmm. Okay, it's in the creative side. Okay, better, but I tried with ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT actually gives me the better results compared to this Grok 3 in the creative writing. I mean, in the story writing or in the creative side, ChatGPT gives me the better results compared to Grok 3, I guess. Okay. We'll ask in the real time news or something, current events. So, okay, I'm asking summarize today's top three global news stories. And then enabling this deep search so that it searches in the web and gives us the result. Okay, it is searching the news. Oh, it's searched in the 10 web pages here. Okay, still it is searching. Took 28 seconds, 29, 30. It's still giving us a result. Okay, let's wait. Oh, it increases the like web pages here. Previously it is 10 pages, now it's increased to 17 pages. Okay. Okay, after 50 seconds of research, it gives us a response with it searches in the 17 web pages. Okay, nice. Oh, okay. It gives the top stories. Trump's envoy meets Zelensky amid tensions. Israel identifies remains of two kids. Bus bombings in Israel, no injuries reported. Okay. Okay. Actually, it gives a pretty good results, I guess. I mean, uh, the latest news. Okay. Nice. And okay, we'll ask him something. I mean, script writing, like kind of thing. I'm asking the small. I need a small tweet to promote my Grok 3 video. Let's see what it will give. Okay, it's searching in the six posts. Okay, six expos and 20 web pages. Okay, okay, it gives me the pretty small tweet. I guess. Check out my latest video on Grok 3 exercise mind blowing AI, smarter, faster, and reshaping the future. See why it's a game changer, and we'll provide the link here. Okay, nice. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. So, in some aspects, it gives us the fast result, but in some aspects, it didn't give us a proper result, right? So, Like you guys also try once and let me know in the comment section in which aspects it gives us a better result. So that's it for this video. We'll back with another video.